Good evening, everybody. I'm Pierre Roberts, the Daily Trader. It is August 16th, and we are going to take a look at Tesla stock from a technical analysis perspective. My goal in doing these videos is to help you understand how to use technical analysis to make better trading and investing decisions, but I'm not a financial advisor, so please do your own research and make your own decisions. So guys, I am back from my little vacation. We were down to the Kennebank port area. So very nice place. And we just drove back today. So let's take a look at Tesla a little bit. So Tesla down today, $8.27, 0.89%. Closed at 919.69. Post-market up by 20 cents. Let's look at what we have here on the chart. We are on Tuesday, and on Friday, we had this nice green candle. Very happy about that candle. Right smack on the 857.36 support that we had drawn in the past, that was used in the past. It was used again. Green candle, we like that, with a smaller wick also at the bottom and no wick at the top. So this was a frank move, a frank win by the buyers. Then yesterday, green candle also, but now we are having a little bit of a pushback that we are starting to see. So we are pushing back from the resistance 940.13. And today also, today we were right smack on 940.13 again. I am tempted to say that it is a little bit less clear what is going to happen because we have two patterns in play. And because of what happened yesterday and today, the thesis for the congestion zone is very clear. We have had 3 touches, let's say, and almost 4, but 3 touches in the past 2 weeks. And also at the same time, we are right also into that upward channel. The stock is fitting perfectly these two stories. So hopefully if we can break above 940.13 tomorrow, then we can lay the congestion zone thesis for good. Let's go look at the 1 hour chart. Last Friday, we were right here. The first candle of the day was a nice hammer, a nice bullish candle. Then boom, it was a nice day. It was a very nice day. Stochastic came back over 60 on the 1 hour chart. And this is something that we had not had. Remember last week, we did not have it for a long time. And now we are having it. And yesterday we came up higher. This was very nice. Today, right here at 9:30, we tested this 943 resistance on the 1 hour chart and then came back down a little bit, but we still have a stochastic over 60. The move is still intact. This is just a insignificant pullback. This is how I'm going to call it. Coming back on the daily chart, stochastic at 89, still quite strong. We got back our MACD crossover. So it's always nice to get something back in terms of the indicators. This is great. RSI is still in play and DMI is still in play. So nice move. Let's just try to push above 940.13. Is it really 940.13? I'm not sure. Okay, sorry. I had put the wrong number in there. So the real number is 943.84. That's the resistance that we have. And let me just make sure that the text is in the right color. Okay. So 943.84, that's the real resistance that we have here. Okay move where we came back down a little bit, but we still made a higher low and still made a higher highs. We can look forward to that. And let's hope that we continue our climb. It's possible that we reach 1070 down to 1052. This is what is in play. And we have the stock split that is going to happen. So maybe this is going to help us push us up there a little. Let's look at the VIX a little bit. So the VIX for the past 3 days is basically going sideways, staying below 2089. Happy about that. Let's look at Dow Jones climbing. Nice. I had not looked at it for a couple of days, so I'm really happy to see this. So we broke outside this big downward resistance. So we hear everywhere, we should have a crash, we should have a crash, we should have a crash. Until it arrives, it's not there. So right now, we are in this short-term bull trend, and now we have broken this downward trend. So technically, we are outside of this downward channel. So we are not going as low as fast, and we might be even going sideways and going up. You should not be deterred about what people are saying. And there's this guy that sold all of his position in everything, blah, 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 because he's expecting a crash. We are going to see a downturn when it comes. We are going to see it. It's going to be very clear, and we are going to see our indicators change from green to red. We are going to see our supports get broken. We will see it. So, it's not something that will come tomorrow. We could have a big red candle at some point, but when this comes, usually there's a pullback on it. And then if we really want to sell, we can sell on that pullback before things really go further down. You should not believe what everybody is saying. We are looking at the truth. The truth is there, and the truth is on the stock chart. That's it. Let's look at S&P 500, still climbing nicely, getting closer to this resistance again. And NASDAQ has broken it, as we had seen last week, and NASDAQ 100 also, and continuing its move up. Let's just ride the market until it tells us not to ride it anymore. Thanks very much for watching. Thank you for liking, commenting, subscribing. If you like what I do, you can become a YouTube member. Click on my TradingView affiliate link. I'm going to wish you a great evening. We are going to talk tomorrow, and I'm going to tell you à la prochaine.